Hello and welcome everyone, CarMAN back with another video. And before starting this upgrade on my Jaguar, I'm going to be doing my giveaway. As promised, I'm having daily giveaways for this whole month, so please stay tuned by subscribing. And if you want to enter this giveaway and win this DeWalt toolbox, all you have to do is like this video, subscribe to MrCarMAN, and also leave a comment down below on this video. And I'm going to be picking a winner 1 week from now. And I'm going to be doing a giveaway every single day, whether it's tools or car parts. So I hope you guys enjoy it. And now let's get started with the upgrade. So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys on how to change and upgrade the reverse lights on your Jaguar XF. The Jaguar XF comes with yellow dull reverse lights. So when you're reversing at night, it's pretty hard to see without a backup camera. The upgrade process is pretty simple. We're going to remove the taillight assembly, which is held on by 3 of these small bolts. Once the bolts are off, you're going to wiggle the taillight out. And then you're going to locate the reverse bulb, take it out, unplug the wire. And then install the new LED into the socket and replug the wire. I'll have these reverse LED bulbs in my description box if you guys also want to try these out. They're pretty inexpensive and they're very reliable, and they're just a very awesome upgrade to have for your Jaguar XF. And like I said before, there's a huge difference with these new LEDs. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick and easy upgrade on the Jaguar XF. And if you guys enjoyed this video and also want to enter into the giveaway, please leave a comment down below. And I'll see you guys tomorrow with another video.